Yo, what up, guys? Welcome back to the family channel. For now, don't know watch me here, star. I don't know if I want the appear star me a pop off, but
that's not gonna make it though.
it's like
don't make it.
no. We actually had an emergency this morning. Like, you know, I have to rush come to the hospital. You see me? The baby Nyla, but all is well. I guess Nisha will give you guys an update on that. But for now, the good thing about it is just that she's good, you know. Doctor says she's alright, she's strong enough to manage herself, you know what I mean? But you actually frightened away when a big man levers. Mama, they are drive out and can't do pay attention to when you see people.
Oh, hey guys, look at my head top too. My hair looking crazy.
So, we're there from where? After 6 and our 9, call it 10 o'clock. That's what, 3-4 hours? We're there, you know? But
they actually cheated that. Yo, that male nurse actually pissed me off because
which one?
when I went up there and he's like, oh, we treat all patients the same, it doesn't matter their age. But I'm just like, she's technically still a newborn. She's a month, and in there is so sick. So the camera. In there you have people like vomiting and like coughing, and some of them are not covering their mouth. And it fully has a big sign that says if you're coughing, cover your mouth or wear a mask. Which is like, technically we can put a mask on too, but why am I gonna protect myself? Why is Ziggy gonna protect herself when we can't put a friggin' mask over the baby? When she's the one who's more prone to get the most sick right now. Like, even to breastfeed, it's just like, I wanna breastfeed her, but I'm so scared to like breastfeed her there because some people are just sick. I didn't want to take her out of her car seat. I don't like hospitals, and I feel like she's a baby. She should have been seen from like long time. Especially if I come in and say she's struggling to breathe. She should have been seen how many hours ago? Not 4 hours ago. I mean, not a couple minutes ago. Or 4 hours later, I should say.
But even the woman was sitting down there and just continue the cough. And you might, like, when I time she get up, she turn on, you know.
Yeah, like, I don't know if it's
like, when I look on her, because I say, oh, like, God know me wants to see.
At first I thought if it was a smoker's cough. That's what I thought maybe it was. But I'm just like, even if, like, friggin' cover your mouth properly.
But she not security though?
Yeah. They don't, that's what I'm saying, they don't care. So I hate hospitals. Like, right now I'm about to go home and take off everything and put in the wash.
Yeah, sanitize.
Like, it's so disgusting. Like, God. One of her rags, I just threw it away. I can't. Like, friggin' hospitals just gross me out.
And this, you have to go get better.
Yeah.
But yeah, I go look some food. You know, and more and tell you know what go on too. But the next vlog me tell you know what go on. Cause me I want to play the voice note what police send me, but me can't play. You know? I'm going to tell you know what go on when I left Jamaica and how the settings when stay. Oh, you know, with me and Polly and so on. I share a couple something we don't know. You know what I mean? As I say, I want to share the voice note that I send go give her and the one that she send back on go give me. Because honestly, I actually cry, but I tell you know what I go and look more. You see, Pre? You know, so I eat bacon, but I don't really fancy it.
Like, honestly, their bacon sandwich tastes good.
You see, Pre?
So
and to me, bacon a cancer food, my youth. You know?
It's not.
It is. But I guess you won't.
I'm gonna get it and you can try it. If you don't like it, just take it off.
Me don't want a KFC. So anyway, Nisha's in the camera got McDonald's. McDonald's.
Just to try their breakfast.
I got McDonald's or McDonald's.
You wanna try Chinese food?
But tell I say last time I got name Chinese food, what happened to me, my youth? No disrespect, but
no, but you can't let one experience of Chinese food ruin it for the like.
no. Honestly, I know what people say about Chinese, a dog food, a dog then leave it and something. But honestly, Nisha, no, I don't want Chinese food.
Where'd you have Chinese food in Jamaica?
Yeah.
No, you can't have Chinese food in Jamaica.
You can have Chinese food in Jamaica because
I had Chinese food in Jamaica and it did not, like, we all went and it did not taste the same.
Australia did I go?
Yeah.
Oh. Why? I don't know. 5 minutes and the shrimp ready.
Maybe because most of their stuff is pre-cooked.
No pre-cooked, give me nothing, man.
So guys, we're back home and I'm here with baby girl. I'm here with baby girl currently breastfeeding. just pumped before I breastfed her because I need to. It's not that I feel like I just need to pump more, and I'm noticing that one of my breasts has more milk than the other, and it could be because maybe because I'm putting her on one breast more. So I'm really trying to even things out. I don't know if it's too late. But Ziggy just went on the road with my dad. I'm filming from my phone because my camera's upstairs. Sometimes you guys are gonna get qualities from my camera, some from my phone, because I just don't walk around my camera a lot. That's nothing new. But I guess y'all are still getting footage either way. And I need to stop looking at myself. This is how you know, whenever you see me looking like kind of off and not looking at the lens, that's how you know I'm filming from my phone. Like it looks kind of odd. But yeah, so we just got home today. Like there's nothing much to do. Today was just like doctor's appointment. The hospital kind of just threw off our day. We came home, we were so tired because we left in the morning. And I'm actually gonna go bathe her. Usually I bathe her in the mornings and we wipe her down at night, but because we left out this morning with the whole hospital situation, it kind of just like threw off our schedule a little. So I'm just currently feeding her, and then I'm gonna go and wash her up and put a load of her laundry in, and then I'm gonna go finish my paper because I have a paper to write. And yeah, bro, yo, if I can go back, I think I would have took a break from going back to school, because going to school and being a new mom and breastfeeding is not easy. It is so hard. I'm just happy that I really have the support around me, but sometimes it can be overwhelming. Like no matter how much support and help you have, sometimes it can just be so overwhelming. It's just a lot. Like I underestimated how hard this was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like easy. I thought, like, you know, because a lot of people around me said, oh, like, you know, it was easy, I did it, you can do it too. But when I look back, most of those people, some of them breastfed and most of them didn't. Most of them actually did like formula and stuff like that. And like, you know, it's easier to put a bottle together using formula versus breastfeeding, where you have to like sit there and like breastfeed, and then you gotta pump, or like, you know, it's just a lot. And yeah, I underestimated everything. But I always said I wanted to breastfeed. Like that's my number one thing. I don't want to give up. I almost gave up twice. It's not easy, but that's like a whole nother video that I'm gonna do, because the struggle was real. I'm not even gonna lie. So yeah, I really underestimated this whole school, being a new mom, breastfeeding thing. Like even Thursdays and Fridays, I gotta be at placement for like 6:45. I wake up at like 5, shower, and then I breastfeed, and then I pump to make sure, like, you know, there's enough milk before I leave. Usually I pump throughout the week and I freeze it, but just that day I really try to empty my boobs, because I know once I'm at placement, I don't want to, I can pump while I'm at placement, but I don't do it because it's just not sanitary. Like it just kind of grosses me out, pumping in the hospital, like just stick people on the floor and then having the milk there. So I don't really pump at placement. So by the time I come home, my boobs are like heavy, and I'm pumping like over 5 ounces. So yeah. So that's a whole nother video that I want to share with you guys. The whole like being a new mom and going to nursing school. It's tough. It is really, really tough. But nevertheless, I'm in my last semester. I'm pushing through. There's like, I think 30 something days left of school. There's like a couple, like maybe a little under 6 weeks left. And I'm so close. I'm really close. And then in the summertime, I just have to do my hours, which is 3 months. But then she'll be like a little bigger. Yeah, I mean, like I'm still debating if I want to push through in the summer, but I really do want to just continue. Like I don't want to stop, so I can just officially graduate October and then just be done with this program, because this program is stressful. But mama, yeah, this whole breastfeeding thing it's a piece of work. Like it is a work and job on its own. Like it's a lot. It literally, like, it's a lot. But yeah, that was just like a little quick update with me. Other than that, I'm doing good so far. Ziggy and I are still adjusting to this whole parenthood thing. Like we have experience helping with like for me, I have experience helping with like my brother and sisters when they were younger. Ziggy has experience from his like nieces and nephews, and you guys always see us with kids and stuff like that. But having your own child, your own little human being, it's so different. It's like the work there's a lot. It's a lot. And the thing with this little one is that she wakes a lot, and when I say she wakes a lot, she wakes on her own when she's hungry. And she wakes like sometimes every 2 hours, sometimes every hour. She just eats really a lot, and it's just tiring. It's really, really tiring. But I'm happy that she's eating at least, you know? Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go finish feeding her and then bathe her up and stuff like that. And like I said, the rest of the evening I'm just gonna be doing a paper. So yeah, I guess we'll tune back in and see what's happening. The pump that I use, this is the Medela, and it comes in like this little backpack. This is how it looks. You could pump 2 times, or you could pump once if you want. You just lock off the air on the other side. It is electric. That's the kind of one downfall with it, you know, because anywhere you travel with, you kind of have to have like that plug. And then this is like the speed that it has, and it comes with like the I think 3. It comes with a couple of the cords. And then this is how it looks. Oh, excuse you. That one frightened her. So yeah, it comes like the bottles, and you just put like the attachment part on it, and then this part obviously goes on your boob. And yeah, this is the pump that I use. I actually really like it. I really like it a lot, actually.
Bro, this is like.
So guys, we're at Flea Market right now. We're bumping to some subscribers. Say hi, Karen.
On YouTube.
So wait, you're in Canada too? She in Canada?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No, I'm saying you're in Canada too.
Like, ooh, you know, man, like, is it someone you know?
That's so funny.
Yeah, man.
I know. Well, hopefully we actually bump into you physically. One day soon, yeah. But we're gonna go inside because it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold, Karen. I never leave it. Later.
Alright, look more, yeah? Alright, big up yourself. Yo!
You have the car key?
Shit, you like Karen? No, look.
I need no. So guys, we just pulled up to Flea Market. So funny story about that. We pulled in and we're trying to look for parking. So I see this guy like, so I'm like, who the hell is that? I'm thinking like, who is this? I low-key thought it was some guy trying to chop me or something, you know? I thought it was some guy trying to holler at me or something.
Yeah, so you know, I sit on the back seat, man. So I go on. Oh, yeah, let's spooky that.
Yo.
But then when we see guy come around to me, I say,
I thought he was following.
Nisha, can I just
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's when he came up to us. I know. So big up Karen and her husband. Shout out to you guys.
Big up on yourself. Let's see you free.
Yo, it's like, I don't know, but I'm so used to being in Jamaica and bumping into subscribers. Now we're bumping into where we live. Yo, this is crazy, but we're about to go into Flea Market. My hands are cold right now. So we'll tune back in with you. I need to do my eyebrows because you know they're bushy and ting.
I'm going to sit down and do the eyebrow.
Yep, hold this.
I tell you if you make me do it for you, but this year, this me.
I
After me
spread my
get, yo, don't look for
eyebrow.
me little line up. You see it? See you pray. I tell mama myself make me help him out, but.
You want a hot dog?
Yo, come on, I'm going inside because it's so cold. Say me llama with me one. Woo! Yeah, so we're up on the flea market, you know. Yeah? You shall go pluck out him eyebrows, something them. So, yeah. See you pretty.
Is it my turn?
Banana!
You call me clocks! You call me clocks!
Nisha!
Niche!
put the acid down.
I want to put her. I kind of want to put her closer.
Oh.
I'm scared. Is it your turn?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Sticky yung vlog. I get sticky.